Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am with you Pratim. Friends, today I am going to show you a face mask that will help you to get a very glowing, gorgeous and blemishless face skin. Now every one of you want that. So friends, in this face mask we have used 3 ingredients, that is banana, yogurt and pure honey. Now these three ingredients combined make a very effective face pack to give you a gorgeous and glowing skin. Now before we move on, just a few words about these ingredients on how they work on your face skin. Now first, banana. Now banana are a secret to the very well moisturized skin. Vitamin A in banana helps to restore moisture and remove dry skin. In other words, it's very effective for dull and dry skin. Now banana cleanses the skin. Again, vitamin A in banana helps to brighten and lighten your face skin. Now a few words about honey. Now honey, I am talking about pure honey. Pure honey helps to speed up the healing process of the skin cells. Now honey helps to remove acne, heals scars and tightens up your skin. Now pure honey is also a very good exfoliator. What it does, it removes the dead, dry skin cells and reveals the new cells that glowing underneath your skin, and thus gives a glowing look to your face. Now a few words about yogurt. Now lactic acid in your yogurt helps to dissolve the dead skin cells. Now you know every day numerous amounts of dead skin cells generate on our skin, and thus make it very dull and dry. Now lactic acid in yogurt helps to dissolve this dead skin cells. Again, yogurt applying yogurt mask topically helps to remove acne. Again, it moisturizes your skin. Then it reduces discoloration, relieves sunburn and many other issues like this, and gives your skin a glowing and gorgeous look. Now, so friends, this yogurt is a very good all-round beauty taskmaster. So friends, these 3 ingredients combined makes your skin very glowing and gorgeous. It helps to remove many skin issues and gives you a blemishless face skin. Now another word about our channel friends. Now before we share these remedies with you, we experiment these remedies on ourselves, and after getting the desired result, then only we share with you. So you are very well, in other words, you get very good results. So we guarantee the effectiveness of these packs. So friends, let's move on and see how we can prepare this pack. Okay friends, now let's see how we can make the face pack for face glow. First, we take a ripe banana, a small ripe banana, and then you have to smash it. Just smash it using a spoon or a fork, anything that is suitable. So friend, this way you have to mash it very finely. Just see, there should be no lumps in this banana. Now add to it 1 teaspoon of honey. Now you have to add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Now friends, you have to batter this yogurt very nicely so that it becomes like a cream, just like this. Now mix all these ingredients, 3 ingredients, very well. Now friends, you have to apply this pack all over your face and neck area and leave it for about 30 minutes and then wash off with tepid warm water. Apply at least 3 times a week for maximum result. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this video and it's will helpful for you. Thank you for watching and keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.